Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to uninstall, or in other words, completely remove the Helpdesk plugin from your Redmine. Okay, so we now see our current plugins list that is installed on our Redmine. Okay, the very first step that we have to do is to open our terminal or command line with Ctrl, Alt and T. Okay, I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you so it will be easier for seeing. Okay, so now you have to navigate to your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5. And now the first command that you have to execute is to downgrade your database for the Helpdesk plugin. So it is done with the following command. It is bundle exec rake Redmine plugins name, and here it is very important to set the correct name of the plugin you are trying to remove. So it is Helpdesk in our case, which is Redmine contacts Helpdesk. Okay, so we continue with the command. It is version 0 Rails and production. Okay, so we now click on enter and wait for the command to execute. So the downgrading is now in progress. Alright, so our process is now done. The next step is that we have to remove the folder of the plugin from Redmine. So as being in the core Redmine folder, you have to execute command remove force plugins Redmine contacts Helpdesk. Okay, so the very last thing that we have to do is to restart our Redmine or the server in general. It is done with the command touch temporary restart point txt. Okay, so now we have to go into our Redmine and check if we have done our job successfully. So we go back here and refresh our page. We see Helpdesk here and we wait for the page to refresh. Redmine needs some time for the refreshing. Okay, so we see that the Helpdesk has just disappeared from the list. It is completely removed from our Redmine. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope it was very helpful. For you. If you like it, please check our articles and other videos. Bye bye for now.